Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Logitech G305 or G304 wireless mouse to Samsung tablet. So basically what I will be using is dongle with adapter, which usually goes to Type-C, or lightning cable if you have one. So it will be for the iPad if you use lightning cable, but usually for the Samsung tablets will be micro USB or just Type-C connection type. And basically now what I will do is use this adapter, and basically I will connect it to the port like this. And now what I will do is basically turn on my mouse, and I will be able to use the mouse. As you can see, I'm moving the mouse and it moves on the tablet. So that's how it works. So basically, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.